Is your WhatsApp really safe? If you haven't done these simple steps yet, your account could be at risk of hacking. Today, I'll show you the most powerful and easy ways to secure your WhatsApp completely. The first and most important step is to enable two-step verification. Go to WhatsApp settings, account two-step verification. Set a strong 6-digit PIN and add a recovery email if possible. After this, even if someone gets your SIM, they won't be able to activate your WhatsApp without your PIN. Second, never share your 6-digit verification code or your two-step PIN with anyone, not even friends or someone pretending to be WhatsApp support. Remember, WhatsApp never asks you for these codes. Third, check linked devices regularly. In WhatsApp settings, go to linked devices. If you see any unknown device, immediately log it out. Many hackers spy on accounts using WhatsApp Web. Fourth, lock your WhatsApp and your phone. In WhatsApp settings gives privacy. Enable app lock and also secure your phone with a PIN, pattern, or fingerprint. Even if someone gets hold of your phone, they won't be able to access your WhatsApp. Fifth, secure your WhatsApp backups. Go to settings, chat backup, turn on end-to-end encrypted backup. Set a strong password or encryption key. This will protect your backup from being stolen or misused. Some extra tips: always keep your WhatsApp and phone software updated. Never click on suspicious links or attachments. Add a SIM card PIN for protection, and change your group privacy settings so no one can add you into random groups without permission. And if your WhatsApp ever gets hacked, quickly log out all linked devices, reactivate WhatsApp on your number, enable two-step verification, and inform your contacts immediately.